Almost a year into the COVID-19 outbreak, face masks have become a daily necessity. Yet despite the risks involved, some people are still not following the guidelines. To make the current quarantine system more thorough and effective, the Korean government has made it legally mandatory to wear a face mask in public places.
Mandatory mask wearing to prevent a resurgence of COVID-19 cases. In what settings are masks mandatory and what types are acceptable? What's the proper way of wearing a mask? Wearing a mask is now mandatory on public transport, in crowded settings such as rallies, and at medical and care facilities where the risk of infection is high. Clubs, singing rooms, and other high-risk facilities must make masks mandatory as advised according to the level of social distancing. Another important factor is the type of mask used. Only government-certified masks such as KF94, KF80, medical, surgical, and anti-droplet masks are acceptable. Once the grace period ends on November 13, fines will be imposed on those who violate the rules.
감염을 막을 수 있는 가장 확실한 방어책입니다. 국민 여러분들의 동참이 필요합니다.
Mandatory mask use is the least we can do to protect ourselves and others from COVID-19.
The majority of Koreans have been wearing a mask since the beginning of the outbreak, one of the factors behind the success of K-quarantine. Right now, without a vaccine or cure for COVID-19, wearing a mask is the most effective way to prevent the spread. The best way to overcome COVID-19 is to stick to the basics.
Overcoming COVID-19 together. Let's all stick to the basics.